The easiest place to get started with building a website is just to use WordPress.com. Why? Because it gives you, first of all, it's free. Yeah, it'll give you a website for free. It is yourname.wordpress.com, so it's not perfect, but you can also upgrade to the paid plans where you get your own name, yourname.com, and it just makes it super simple to use. WordPress is a really popular way to make websites, and WordPress.com runs it all for you, so you don't even have to install WordPress. So to do that, just go to WordPress.com as we've done here and click Get Started. And the first thing it will ask you to do is fill out a bunch of questions about your website. So let's put in the name of our restaurant, because we like that to be the name of our site. And it's a restaurant, so we'll select that. And we're here to promote our business, right? Hit continue and come up with a name. So let's put in name, and this will give us a bunch of options. So we can select things like Pori.kitchen, that's quite cool. PoriKitchen.com, that looks good as well. And we'll need a paid plan for do this, but if we just want to start off, we can just start on WordPress.com, and we can see this is listed for free. So let's select that. And then it will give us all these different options. So you could go for a paid plan if you want to spend. They start from about $30 a year, so not unreasonable, because we probably only need the basic package for now. But let's start with the free one. Let's enter our email address. That username looks good. I'm just going to have my password generator fill out a password. We continue to get started. Maybe that we need to do an email confirmation as well. So if we head over to Gmail, and here we are, we just need to click this activation link. And here we are inside our WordPress website. Of course, there's no content in it yet, so we'll need to add some of that, but we'll deal with that in the next lesson.